The Kind Farmer and the Magic Seeds. Once upon a time, there was a farmer named Tom. Tom lived in a small village. He had a small farm. Tom was very kind. He always helped people in the village. One day, Tom was walking home. He saw an old woman on the road. The old woman looked very tired. She was carrying a heavy bag. Tom said, "Hello, can I help you?" The old woman smiled. She said, "Yes, please. This bag is very heavy." Tom took the bag. He carried it for the old woman. They walked together to her house. At her house, the old woman said, "Thank you, Tom. You are very kind. I want to give you something." She gave Tom 3 small seeds. The seeds were red and shiny. The old woman said, "These are magic seeds. Plant them in your farm. Good things will happen." Tom was surprised. He said, "Thank you very much." The next day, Tom planted the magic seeds in his farm. He watered them every day. He waited and waited. After 1 week, something amazing happened. 3 big, beautiful trees grew from the seeds. The trees were very tall. They had golden leaves and silver branches. Tom was very happy. He said, "Wow, the old woman was right. These are magic seeds." But something even more amazing happened. The trees started to grow fruits. The fruits were not normal fruits. They were made of gold. Tom picked the golden fruits. He was very excited. He thought, "I can sell these golden fruits. I will be very rich." But then Tom remembered the people in his village. Many people were poor. They needed help. Tom thought for a long time. He made a big decision. He said, "I will not keep all the golden fruits for myself. I will share them with the village." Tom went to the village. He gave golden fruits to everyone. He said, "Please use these to buy food and clothes. Use them to fix your houses." The people were very happy. They said, "Thank you, Tom. You are so kind." The village became a happy place. Everyone had enough food. Everyone had good clothes. All the houses were fixed. Tom was not rich, but he was very happy. He felt good because he helped many people. One night, Tom had a dream. In his dream, he saw the old woman again. She was smiling. The old woman said, "Tom, you did a very good thing. You helped many people. You are a kind person." Tom woke up. He felt very happy. He knew he made the right choice. From that day, Tom's farm always had good harvests. The village was always happy. Tom continued to help people. The story of Tom and the magic seeds became famous. People told it to their children. They said, "Be like Tom. Be kind and help others. Good things will happen to you." Tom lived a long and happy life. He was not rich with money, but he was rich with friends. Everyone in the village loved him. Years later, when Tom was very old, he sat under the magic trees. He looked at the village. He saw happy people. He saw children playing. He saw nice houses. Tom smiled. He knew his kindness made all this happen. He was very happy. The magic trees continued to grow golden fruits. Tom continued to share them with people who needed help. Tom's story teaches us an important lesson. It is good to be kind. It is good to help others. When we help others, we make the world a better place. We also feel happy inside. Sometimes, we might want to keep good things for ourselves, but sharing with others can make us happier than being rich. Tom could have been very rich, but he chose to help others instead. This made him truly happy. We can all be like Tom. We can help people around us. We can share what we have. We can be kind to others. When we do this, we make our world better. We make other people happy, and we become happy too. Remember Tom's story. Be kind. Help others. Share what you have. Good things will happen to you